Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discussed here. First command is a surface stamp and second is bead. Okay guys, today CATIA lecture 90 is discussed here and CATIA sheet metal design, sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, two important sheet metal 3D commands learn here. First is surface stamp and second is bead. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a CATIA software and this is a stamping is discussed here. Okay, cutting is all previous lecture is discussed here and bending is also discussed here, and today discuss here is a stamping. Okay, and a stamping is all command is one by one is discussed here, and a stamping command is very important and very useful. Create a new design and okay, one by one is discussed here. Okay, at first create any sheet. Okay, and sheet a center rectangle. Okay, draw a center rectangle. Okay, exit, and at first click sheet metal parameters because all command is not active unless we are not click sheet metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Okay, at first click a sheet metal parameters, then sheet metal parameters command is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm and all is correct. Then click OK and all 3D commands is activated. You can see here, and click a wall is generate a wall. Okay, this is a perfect and this is a perfect and all plane is okay, all plane is a hide because this project is showing okay good. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, today discuss here a stamping, and a stamping is all command is one by one is discussed here, and first is a surface stamp and second is bead. Both command is today discuss here. Okay, at first drawing a any profile, then profile a any center rectangle and draw a any center rectangle. This is a correct a small size. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, exit. Okay, and at first drawing a surface stamp, click here, and surface stamp dialog box is pop up and you can see here easily all. Okay, surface definition is parameter, surface type definition type is, you can see here, parameters choice is a angle, punch and die, and two profile. Okay, one by one is discussed here, and okay, at first select this profile. Okay, again select here because this is a okay, this is a not selective, white color is not selective, and this is a okay, and click a surface stamp, and this profile is a profile is select here. This is a select. Okay, and radius 1, this angle a 90°, height is increase and decrease. Okay, height is increase and decrease, limit. Okay, radius 1 and radius 2 and round die. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click OK, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, double click here and this arrow is upward, then preview is showing here. This is a upward. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and double click here, and one is very important. Okay, opening edge. Okay, select here and any, first is this and other is this. Okay, both is opening. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a opening, both is opening. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is perfect. Looking here and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, second is a bead. Okay, and click here and okay, height is increase and decrease, height is also increase. Okay, you can see here height is increase. Okay, and height is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect looking. 10 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also decrease here, 8 is also better. This is a better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, again radius is increase and decrease, preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and also radius is okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this radius one is this, and okay, you can see here easily. Okay, increase radius first, this is a correct. This radius is first increase and this radius is second. Okay, this is a second radius. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a 5 is correct, also 5 is correct. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. This is a must, looking best. Okay, next command is a bead. Bead is a select a sketch, and this is a positioning. Okay, this is a perfect. Fit all in. Okay, and draw a any. Okay, this command is a draw a any profile. This is a this profile is a okay, this is a correct, this, and okay, this body is a this command is this. Okay, and this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click here, exit, and this profile is orange color is profile is select here, but yellow white color is a not select here. Okay, and this is a bead. Click here and at first select a profile is a select here this, and section radius is increase and decrease. Okay, preview is singular. Okay, this is not, radius is 3 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and radius, section radius 1 and end radius 2, and height is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a increase and decrease. Okay, height, okay, this is not mentioned here. Height is also not increase and decrease. Height is a 4 is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, not increase and decrease. Radius is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a okay, this is a perfect, and you can see here easily drawing here. Okay, and both is a bead is correct. This is correct. This body is correct. Okay. Okay, and guys, use a pattern. Pattern is a this. Okay, and profile is a this. Okay, and profile is this. Reverse direction, and distance is a increase, and okay, instance is also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Body is correct. Okay, and also this is a double click here, and second direction is a draw here. This this is a reference element, this, and okay, instance is double, direction is reverse, and okay, this is a instance is okay, instance on distance is okay, this is a perfect, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is click here, and also okay, this profile, this bead is a okay, this is a perfect, and this is a, and reference element is this, and preview okay, the direction is reverse, and this is a distance is increase. Okay, and this is a 1. Okay, 2, and direction is a 1. Okay, this is a perfect, preview is showing here, and also direction is 2 is okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, the first, and direct reference element is a this, this is a 1. Okay, distance is increase. Okay, correct, direction is 2 also here, and click a reference element is a this, okay, this is a, and okay, this is a distance is increase. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, material is apply here. Okay, and material is a metal is a okay, this is a perfect, and okay, double click here, and reflectivity is high, and material is a this. Okay, this is also okay. Material is select here. Okay, 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 this is a perfect, and this body is correct, isometric drawing here, and okay, zoom out, this body is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, okay, correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice. This is a correct, okay, this is a perfect body here. Isometric view is drawing here. This is a perfect, okay, okay, so nice guys. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.